Hi, to enable and disable screen distance on iPhone 16e. Firstly, you need to go in your phone settings and here scroll a bit down to find screen time. So in limit usage category, you should see screen distance. This feature works by measuring the distance between the screen and your eyes. Here tap continue if you want to enable it. Just check this information about the features such as viewing distance, screen shield, position guide, and click continue again. And now it is turned on. So if you just hold your phone for a long period of time near your eyes, closely to your eyes, then you will receive notification that you need to just make distance bigger between your eyes and your phone. To disable the feature, just toggle off the switch like that. And if you got screen time passcode, you need to enter it to confirm this step. And then save changes using back arrow. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.